How to create an NGL link in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an NGL link in Facebook Lite. To start, open the NGL application. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you're in, tap on Copy Link. You can also directly share the link on your story, but here we will continue by copying the link. Once you have copied the link, close the NGL app. Next, open the Facebook Lite. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now tap on Add Story to create your story. Then tap on Next. After that, tap on the screen and paste the link that you have copied from the NGL app. You can also change text color if you want. Once you're done, tap on Done from your top right corner. Now go ahead and tap on Share Now. After that, it will be posted as your story on Facebook Lite. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.